Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 21st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, which also covers the DXY because they're basically the same. And if you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and watch the video on the homepage if you'd like to learn about all the benefits. So, anyways, the last night in the Asian session, the U.S. dollar made another really strong push to the downside, which was another trade in the direction of the trend, which definitely makes sense. Now, if you go all the way up to about the weekly time frame, I am very, very, very bearish on the U.S. dollar index. I still think that this U.S. dollar index is going to go down to about the 100% Fibonacci extension to finish off this A, B, and C correction. I also think there's a good chance that the US dollar index is in a wave three because we have five waves right here, and then we have what looks like a break of the five waves. So, wave one, wave two. We are likely now in a wave three, which explains why everything is so strong on the US dollar pairs. So, keeping all that in mind, going down to the 1 hour time frame, we are potentially at the 100% Fibonacci extension, which could be an area of support, possibly could cause a bounce right here. For me personally, I am not going to be looking for logs on the US dollar, but if I do see a bounce, I'm going to be excited because I know at the end of this bounce, if we get a three-way pullback like another A, another B, and a C, then I definitely would take that as a short, potentially for the continuation of this wave three. Keep in mind, if this really is a wave three on the daily time frame, this is going to be continue to be a very small, very large, very strong trend, which is why we should definitely continue to trade with the trend every single chance we get. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.